Hello my dear friends, I just want to welcome you all to my channel Jazzy Jewels. Today, once again, I have made a beautiful earring using secret technique for you all. So, after watching this video, you will really enjoy making this earring and also will definitely love to wear this. So, do watch this tutorial till the end. And if you like this video, do give it a thumbs up. And if you are new here, do subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that we can meet on a regular basis to make such amazing jewelry making videos like this. And now let's get started. So the material required to make this earring is kundans of two sizes. One is bigger and one is smaller. Then tilak of the same color, that is sky blue color. Pearl bead chain, diamond bead chain, silk thread of similar shade, earring stud, and canvas. So first of all, we will take using the silicone glue. We will stick tilak and kundans to this. Then I'll apply this now. We'll cover this. And now we'll make a circle using this pearl bead chain. Now we will apply this diamond bead chain to half of this. So let's see how to do this. First of all, I will measure half portion. I'll cut this bead. Then we need to apply it to half. So we are also going to form another layer of this diamond bead chain, which will be in half size only. So I'll do that. Now at this middle upside at middle one, we will apply this glue. We will apply this kundan, and now I'll measure first how much a part is actually required. So you can see we need length of 5 pearl beads. So I'll cut it here. Also I'll cut it for the other side because both sides are equal. So I'll cut this. And now we'll apply this silicone glue. Very carefully and patiently. Now the similarly you repeat the same process for the upside. So let me measure it first. So we need approx 6 beads, 6 pearls length. I'll take 6 pearls. kundan, we will again going to add 2 pearl cans, 2 pearl beads. So I'll take this and apply one. Now above this I am going to add this kundan and will again cover it with pearl bead pen. So let's do that quickly. I am going to cut this in 3 beads. Apply properly to both sides. Okay, so make sure to apply this very correctly and in the same manner that below this properly. So now this is almost done, so we'll wait for a few minutes to get this dry and then we'll do our further work. So guys, this has dried up completely. Now we will quickly cut it in the proper shape. If you carefully follow all the steps mentioned in the video, it will be very easy for you to make the earrings. So I have cutted this. Now what we will do, we will apply silk thread, but before that we will have a shape like this to have a back finishing. So let me draw it first so that it will be easy for us to stitch it later. Keep it aside for a while. Now I'm taking this lid of one of my box and we'll go on wrapping this silk thread to this, and we'll have 15 to 20 rounds of this, so I'll quickly do that. So these 25 rounds are complete, so we'll cut it from one side. Imagining both ends. And to the edges of this earring, we are going to apply silicone glue here. And I will measure the side in this length, so and I'll cut accordingly. And then we're going to stick it together like this. So I'll quickly stick it like this for all of it, and then we'll quickly come back to you. So I have cutted this, and now I will cut this shape first. So you can observe that these silk threads are not in a proper size. So once these are got stick properly, and later on we will bring them back to the size. So first let's finish the main back finishing. Now I am taking this stud and will insert it like this, and I'll apply some glue here. Also I'll apply some glue here. And we'll stick it. We'll wait for a few minutes to get it dry, and then we'll do our further work. dried properly. Now let's do a little bit of finishing. This I got this extra from the back side. I'll check if these are coming in proper size or not. So I already had this one, so I'll check if these are in accordance with their size. So we'll keep it like this, and as you can see it's little bit bigger, so we'll cut some part of this. Now it is matching perfectly. So this is how these beautiful earrings are ready. Do let me know in the comments below how do you like this unique idea of making earrings. If you like this tutorial, do like to the video. Do subscribe to my channel to watch amazing jewelry making tutorials like this in the future. Thank you so much for watching my video till the end. See you next time. Until then, this is Aishwarya signing off.